Good morning. Today I want to talk about Dreaming Spanish. So I pay for Dreaming Spanish, which is $8 a month, and I have been using Dreaming Spanish on and off for the last 6 months or so, and I just kind of wanted to start documenting my process and seeing how much I'm actually learning through using Dreaming Spanish. As you know, I've been using Duolingo for 755 days, and it has been teaching me Spanish and has been teaching me words. Now, I have a problem speaking Spanish. I don't get the accent correct, and so it's very difficult for me to say the words. I have to overemphasize them. So it's kind of funny when I'm practicing by myself that I really have to concentrate on the pronunciation and I catch myself over emphasizing using my mouth. I don't know how else to say that. But anyway, so this is my progress report right as of today. And I've just started back trying to keep my streak. And I talked about that in another video about the streak of the pros and cons of having a streak, because you don't want to break it. But, there's sometimes you're just not in the mood. But anyway, I'm trying to get back on track, and I want to do a video every 20 to 50 hours. And so I've already gone over 20 hours. This is 23 hours that I have been doing Dreaming Spanish. And so there are all these different levels over here to the right. And I'm in level 1, starting from 0. Now, as you know, I started with Duolingo and continue doing Duolingo. But this is starting from 0. This is kind of gives you a blueprint or a map and what we need to do, what you're learning, and just gives you a little bit of information. So listen a lot. That's basically all you're going to do is listen to these videos and watch them. Reading's not recommended. Writing's not even recommending, or speaking. So you just listen. That's all they want you to do for the first 50 hours is listen. And we'll talk about level 2 when I get there. I go to the watch tab and I sort by easy, and then I sort by, I've done all the super beginner videos, which is 163 videos. I've completed all of those. So now I'm on the beginner videos. And there's 397 of those. And also you can select the country you want to study, and I am studying Mexico. In the beginner category, there's 60 hours and 34 minutes of videos. So I just start at the first one and work my way all the way down. I just watch them. If there is a word that I don't get, or I think that they're saying, I will go over to the Google Translate and put the word in English. Or if you hear it in Spanish and know how to spell it, you can switch those, and you could type in this word here, and it would come up, in English it's hug. So I use the Google Translate a lot. And I'll just stop the video. If there's a word that I think they're saying, I will look it up. But not in every video, and not every time. And as you see right now, I only have my goal set at 15 minutes a day. Several months ago, when I was doing this pretty religiously, I was doing at least 30 minutes a day. And so I'm going to work myself back up to that, doing 30 minutes a day. I, at this point, can say that I pretty much understand most of the words in the beginner videos. Sometimes I get stuck on some, but I am recognize the words, and most of them, I think, due to Duolingo. Now I'm going to play just a little bit of this video.
Voy a correr a ver el perro. Un perro.
A dog.
Un perro.
A dog.
Hola.
Hola, hello.
El perro está tranquilo.
I don't know that word. Tranquilo. Calm. I don't know. I'll have to go back and watch this.
Este árbol tiene hojas. Grande.
Grande, big.
No. Este lugar está cerrado.
It's closed. The store's closed. Yeah.
Está cerrado.
It's closed.
Oh,
this is closed.
Tomo café.
She wants to drink some coffee in there, but it's closed. So I get a lot of the videos, so it's not too hard to sit and listen to them. They do really good in drawing pictures or using, pointing to things, using hand gestures. So, but at this point, I see a benefit. Let me just say that. I see a benefit in Dreaming Spanish on top of Duolingo. It's like they're putting the two together. It's like they're putting the words that I've already learned through Duolingo, and they're not associated with either one. This is just my journey of what I've done to continue to learn Spanish. But it's like I've learned the words, and then I'm getting to see how they're used in the videos. And then I'm recognizing words like closed. I just recognize that word from Duolingo. So I think at this point that both Duolingo and Dreaming Spanish is complementing each other. And I'm going to continue to do this method on my journey for learning Spanish. Has anyone used Dreaming Spanish? Have you just watched the videos on YouTube, or have you paid for the service? Just curious, and I will do another video once I am up to, 40 hours or 50 hours. We shall see.